Today we are going to discuss the 10 MCQs related the microeconomics, and the topic is demand and supply. These MCQs will be help you in your all competitive exams. I hope this will become a very helpful material for you. The first one is, normally a demand curve will have the shape. It's very easy MCQs. As you can see, the options are horizontal, vertical, downward sloping, upward sloping. But the correct option is C, downward sloping. Demand curve normally will have the shape downward sloping. Second is, law of demand shows the relation between. Law of demand shows the relationship between income and price of commodity, price and quantity of commodity, income and quantity demanded, or quantity demanded and quantity supplied. The option B, price and quantity of a commodity, is the correct option. The third statement is, this is an assumption of law of demand. Price of a commodity should not change, quantity should not change, supply should not change, income of consumer should not change. The option D is an assumption of law of demand. Income of consumer should not change. The fourth one is, if quantity demanded is completely unresponsive to change in price, demand is perfectly inelastic. The option D is a correct answer, which is perfectly inelastic. Okay, the fifth one is, other things equal, if a good has more substitutes, its price elasticity of demand is. Other things equal, if a good has more substitutes, its price elasticity of demand is. Option A is the correct answer, larger. Other things equal, if a good has more substitute, its price elasticity of demand is larger. Price of a product falls by 10% and its demand rises by 30%. The elasticity of demand is 3. Option number C. Option C is the correct option. In the seventh statement, if elasticity of demand is very low, it shows that the commodity is. If elasticity of demand is very low. When the elasticity of demand is very low? When there is a necessity. The commodity is a necessity. Its elasticity of demand is very low. So the option A is a correct option. The following are causes of shift in demand, except the one. Change in income, change in income, change in price, change in fashion, change in prices of substitute. The correct answer is option B, change in price. Change in price will not the cause of shift in demand, but change in income, change in fashion, or change the price of substitutes will cause the shift in demand. When demand is perfectly inelastic, an increase in price will result in. The option B, an increase in total revenue, is the correct option. The last statement, if demand is unitary elastic, a 25% increases in price will result in unitary elastic 25% increases in price will result in 25% decreases in quantity demanded. Okay, that's all. I hope you will better understand these MCQs. I will continue this series of MCQs, and kindly share this video and subscribe this channel. Thanks a lot.